Hello, everyone. My name is Landon Barks.
And my name is Kyle Peliquin.
So this is our Group 4 research presentation for BADM 120W. The company that we chose to research is Amazon.com, who also does business as Amazon. So brief outline of what we'll be discussing today. So we'll have a company overview that will discuss our research topic, our research findings, our recommendations, and then also a list of references used in our research. So Amazon.com, who are they? Amazon is a multinational e-commerce and technology company that was founded in 1994 by Jeff Bezos in his garage. It's headquartered in Seattle, Washington. It's currently led by CEO Andrew R. Jassy. They have an annual revenue of $742.78 billion and 1.576 million full-time and part-time employees. So for our research topic, we chose how Amazon's management practices and the impact it has on employee work environment, productivity, and safety. And management is the process used to accomplish organizational goals through planning, organizing, leading, and controlling people and other organizational resources. So the first research finding that we had was Amazon places a strong emphasis on speed, efficiency, and productivity. So high performance expectations and productivity metric monitoring creates a trade-off between productivity and employee safety. The company's emphasis on speed has been connected to worker safety. These were some of the OSHA findings that was also, documented in the U.S. Senate Health Committee. The technological environment at Amazon has led to some undesirable outcomes. Digital monitoring and productivity tracking has a negative impact on workers. A survey of Amazon employees examined how labor and management practices influence workers' attitudes toward their jobs. While technology has helped increase warehouse production, employees feel constant pressure to perform better due to continuous employee monitoring. The second research finding was demanding management and data-driven production have led to job dissatisfaction. So high production demand from constant metric updates and employer goals have led to employee burnout. Employees have reported pushing themselves to the point of injury to avoid missing quotas. While controlling is one of the four functions of management, the objectives being measured against are creating unsafe working conditions. Reports show that Amazon has experienced high turnover across all levels. Regretting attrition occurred twice as often as unregretted attrition in 2021. On top of the added cost, which is believed to be an estimated 8 billion annually, it creates human resource challenges to meet the required demand for replacement. In a SWOT analysis, one weakness identified was how employees are typically assigned challenging performance metrics and are required to maintain a rapid work pace. Those who do not meet expectations face immediate termination.
Our third research finding was organizational restructuring led to a reduction in the workforce. Despite strong quarterly earnings, Amazon continues to cut jobs across the company. Over the last year, 2025 through 2026, the company has eliminated over 30,000 jobs. This demonstrates how decisions made by top management can affect employees across the firm. In a statement released by Amazon, the company is working to reduce management layers, increase ownership, and remove bureaucracy. CEO JC has commented that the increased use of artificial intelligence tools would likely lead to further job cuts. For our recommendations, the first one is to revise productivity metrics to reflect attainable goals, and employee safety. Amazon should modify the current productivity metrics so that employee productivity is evaluated on both speed and safe work practices, not just speed alone. While performance goals and objectives are necessary for competitive advantages, unrealistic quotas can cause stress, employee burnout, injuries, and ultimately a high turnover rate. Including safety, quality, and productivity in employee evaluations would improve morale and job satisfaction. Our second recommendation was to improve employee retention through recognition and development. Utilizing the four functions of management, emphasize organizing and leading goals for management, recognizing outstanding performance, both productivity and safety performance, and developing employees is essential for improving job satisfaction. This will motivate employees and create an environment that promotes retention. Our third recommendation. Our third recommendation was to strengthen leadership development and manager training. Mandate leadership training that encourages communication, coaching, and employee engagement. Managers should be trained to recognize signs of employee fatigue and workload-induced stress. Create an environment of trust between managers and frontline workers by encouraging open communication and feedback. Reducing the amount of time managers spend monitoring performance metrics would allow more time interacting with the frontline workers. Our fourth recommendation was to improve workplace safety and employee relations through feedback. Invest in a system to allow feedback from employees without the fear of retaliation. This system must reflect the commitment from senior leadership and encourage all employees to provide feedback on concerns and improvement ideas alike. If top managers invest in the system, all levels of management below will have a much better chance for it to succeed. Encouraging employees to speak up will identify problems before someone is injured or worse. And as such, our references include OSHA articles from 2024, as well as news articles written by Cotillius B. and Pinto S. in 2023, Elias A. in 2020, Ellis A. in 2022, Morrison M. in 2025, Simriti S. in 2026, and Bensinger G. in 2025. And as always, thank you so much for watching our presentation. We've put a lot of time and effort into it, and we hope you enjoyed it.
Yes. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something.